So hi everyone, we're here at the Kittitas County Historical Museum. I'm Sadie, I'm the director, and it's my pleasure to share with you the new exhibit that we have going on. We're not completely done just yet, but I wanted to share with you the updates. So right now we just installed the United Bakery, and yes, I will turn on the lights just shortly. So we've got the Ranch Tavern, and the tavern part showcases the original letters from the Ranch Tavern that burned January 1st, 1987. The Valley Cafe, which was our beast of a sign to put on display today. Starlight Lounge, and Machner Scales. So down here, we still have to reinstall the downtown pharmacy. That will go above our doorway, or we've got a possible another place. We still have to install the rail for the Ranch Tavern, so that will actually have a fence going down, which looks like what it did back when it was on the front of the Ranch Tavern. So now the nice part that everyone's waiting for. So we're going to back out of the hallway for a minute so I can flip on the switches. And welcome. So here's what it all looks like. The blue and white of the starlight. Machner Scales. Valley Cafe with its red, white, and yellow. The Ranch Tavern. Whoops, and we've kind of got a weird glare going on. Whoops. Ranch Tavern. And then the United Bakery. The United Bakery existed in Ellensburg between the 19-teens to the 1940s. Ranch Tavern was 1940s to 1987. Valley Cafe, this original sign was 1910s to the 1930s. Much later, Starlight, incredibly recent. Doris had it from 2001 until just last year. And then Machner Scales. So, hope you enjoyed the sneak peek. We will be installing, like I said, the downtown pharmacy sign. And then we will be getting label text up, and we'll be sharing the space with everyone who visits. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.